Oh, you forgot the lemon. Open your mouth.
Hey babies! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our first mukbang. We have some king crab legs. What is the snow crab?
Yeah, snow crab, sausages, mussels, eggs,
Huevitos. And we have lobster tail. Look at how cute!
baby lobster tails,
Look at how small they are. They're so tiny.
and corn.
And corn. And we have our lemon. We made our little sauce. Little butter soy. Ready?
Yes.
Don't go for the sausage first. Go for the king
No,
crab
I want
first.
the sausage.
Okay, I'll try the sausage first then. Is it good?
So good. We got sweet. Oh my god. This is spicy. We got sweet sausage, but then with the sauce, it makes it really spicy.
Very, very spicy. I'm going in for the king crab.
Do you?
Wait, what do you do?
You forgot?
No. Oh yeah, the scissor. I don't know how to operate this. Oh.
Be careful.
Oh my god.
They're very spiky.
Wait, what are you doing? Yeah. You got, what the heck? Okay, wait.
I'm a pro.
I'm fucking jealous. Mira. Regueroso. Are you kidding me right now? Wait. We're gonna get there.
I've been wanting king crab
For the longest.
for like 2 months before we went on vacation to DR, and I finally got it.
Literally talking about it. Oh, this one like fell apart. Literally talking about it
Every single
day. Every single day. Oh my god, I want king crab. Oh my god, I want crab legs. Oh my god, I want crab legs. Look, I did it.
Take the sauce.
No, it's fine. I can dip it over here.
Oh, you forgot the lemon. Just take a lemon. Let me open your mouth. We're gonna be messy.
That was good.
Who cares?
Mind you, I'm such a clean freak. I don't like using both of my hands to eat. I only like using one. So I have like
OCD.
napkins. Because I knew I had to make like a sacrifice or something.
Hell yeah. You can't eat crab legs with just one hand.
That's a challenge.
You gotta get in there. Ooh, maybe that should be for the next video.
A challenge to only do it with one hand, right?
One hand. Can I get the scissors?
Oh my god. This so good.
These are good scissors. You need good scissors when you make
The king crab stuff.
seafood boil.
The seafood boil,
Because
yeah.
if you have weak scissors,
It's over.
it's over. It's gonna take you forever. Have you seen when we were watching Louis, how the restaurant gave them the snow crab opener?
We didn't get that.
Yeah, I wonder if it works on the crab leg, on the king crab legs.
I don't know.
Some people take this thing off. I don't know why. But
What? I'm not even done with my... ¿Y esto cómo que le hago?
open.
How?
In half.
This?
Yeah.
This gets cracked in half?
Yeah.
I'm not good at this at all.
life.
Dip, dip, dip. Oh my god. You gotta work for your food. That's one thing that I don't like about this. I'm more of a lobster tail person for this reason. You just grab that little colita and you just like eat it.
You know who we also have?
Oh.
Motello.
Mmm.
His primo. Corona. Because you can't eat seafood without beer. That should be a sin.
Seafood without beer. Cheers.
Cheers. You have to look at each other in the eye when you cheers.
This guy in his world been drinking. Oh my god, look, the big kahuna. I want that when I... ¿Pasa, mami? No importa. Okay. So what I want... Help me out. I want that a big thing just comes out of you.
Yes.
So what do I
you need
do?
to be careful.
What do I do?
Crack it. I mean, take the scissors and open it up, but just be careful.
Yeah. 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 Sorry if you guys hear some background noise. My mom is here. And my dogs are just walking around. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Taking out all my anger. Corona. Puta sucia.
That's the baby room.
I can't wait to get that one. Oh my god, my foot is falling asleep. Oh my god, my foot's falling asleep. How do I?
How do you work?
What? My foot fell asleep. How am I going to adjust myself? Oh my god!
We're gonna change something.
Oh!
Oh my god, how do I get up?
Right! First mukbang fail! My foot fell asleep! Oh my god, my foot. Okay. You good? So much better. I suck at this. Suck at it.
Have you had a lobster tail?
Huh?
Have you had a lobster tail?
No. Have you? I feel like I'm eating lobster babies. Like, this is like
Is that inhumane?
rape. Or something. Oh my god, the lobster, what do you call this? The leg just like squirted on me. ¡Qué sucia!
I thought you loved that.
Oh my god, nasty. I was like a little bit overcooked. Oh well.
Still gonna eat it, right?
I definitely am. Oh my god. Where's the limon? Oh.
You know, we're Dominican, And we have eaten so much freaking Dominican food in our life
Like I'm
that when
saying.
you eat something different, it's like a whole other world. Look at this. Look at this bad boy.
Oh my god!
That was the dog that sneezed, by the way.
Toby.
The old ones.
That's so cute.
Yes.
Shade towards the animals. I don't really like working for my food.
I hate working, but I work for these crab legs.
Fucking nasty.
This, I'm going to sleep so fucking good today. Like, I'm gonna go to work tomorrow. I mean, not that I want to go to work, but I'm gonna go to work so happy because I ate crab legs today.
Fulfill your dreams and stuff.
Mmm. This is so, it's not overcooked. It's just that you cut it wrong.
Shh. Don't be talking about my stuff. Oh my god, I'm gonna try one of these.
They're really good.
But how do you look like the little legs are still covering? They're like, no, don't take me.
Those aren't legs.
What is that?
But cut it from the top. Do you not know how to cut a lobster tail?
No? Like this?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna call little Joey.
Joey.
Little Joey. Oh, this looks so cute.
Little baby.
I'm gonna make him swim all the way to the sunset.
Can I have the... No.
Ready? How do lobsters swim? Oh, with the little legs. Eat me! Eat me! Eat me!
Next time, we're gonna get the big lobster tails.
Oh my god, yes. Yes to all of this.
Some people buy clothes. I spend money on food.
On food.
Food and drinks. Margaritas, specifically.
Don't get me started on the frozen margaritas. I could talk about frozen margaritas non-stop. Frozen margaritas? Are you crazy? That's food. That's a meal.
If you live in the Bronx,
Oh my
or if you live in New York, you need to go to
Montezuma on Kingsbridge.
Kingsbridge.
In the Bronx.
Have the best margaritas.
Frozen margaritas.
Frozen margaritas. Even the regular margaritas are really good. But they have the best frozen margaritas you will ever
Yeah.
try.
We'll leave
And they're cheap. They're during happy hour, they're $5.
we'll leave the name of the restaurant, the location in the description below. I'm on corn now. I could be a little healthy.
I mean, technically, this doesn't have a lot of calories.
Absolutely right. Mai.
So you can eat all that moro tonight. But this is lunch.
That's another thing. You're always like, no, this is not dinner. This is lunch. Like, no, I don't feel like I ate breakfast.
I need to have 3 meals or more
Per day.
per day. Not including snacks.
Why am I eating like this? Do you put that? No, I'm gonna just have it like that. Wait, don't be drip, 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 drip.
Are you a fan of mussels?
I wouldn't say I'm a fan. I just eat them because
I like mussels. The first time I had mussels was at this Italian restaurant in the city, and they were so good. But I just feel like mussels are weird, especially because you can't really clean them. I mean, if you know how to clean mussels very well, then let us know.
right because you just put them in water.
Yeah, just put them in water. So you don't really get to clean. Like the chicken, you clean that shit inside.
Oh my god, that has meat too.
Yes, you weren't gonna eat it.
Oh,
It wasn't gonna eat this part. This is like the best part. Oh, yours is, yes, yours has.
Mm-hmm.
That meat is so good.
Are good?
Oh my god, you know what we should make one of these days?
Wow.
Crab leg mac and cheese. King crab.
That's really good. I wanted us to get the crab sticks, but I love the fried crab sticks. You put them in like the soda sauce. Sauce is so good. Soda sauce. Soda. For your daughter. Soda for your daughter. Soda for your daughter. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's like,
I could fuck up some corn.
I can't wait for B-Loves to release her mild sauce. I wanted the spicy one. We wanted the spicy one, but when we went to buy it, it was sold out. I don't know what's taking so long.
Her sauce is. Remember we tried it the first time before she like started making it into a thing.
And it was,
It was so good. We did it for my mom's birthday, right? For a surprise party.
yeah.
Our first seafood boil together. Well, my first seafood boil also was when we surprised mommy
No,
about a year ago. You know?
it was before that.
I'm getting full. This is bad.
It's alright. I'll eat that other crab leg.
What other crab leg?
You have two.
I have two. Ay, Dios mío. I feel like I want to try different things. Did I try everything already? I had a crab. Oh, let me do this little claw hand. Yeah.
Apart from there, yeah.
Huh?
So take it easy. Be delicate.
Be delicate.
Love the leg.
The clegg.
The leg.
Love the clegg. Oh my god, look at that. That looks so good. There's like so much meat in there. So we're talking about going to Spain in December. But then he found out that
It's cold.
it's cold in December over there in Spain too. Why am I squeezing it like that? It's cold in Spain in December.
And it's cold here.
And it's cold here, and you kind of want to escape
The cold.
the cold. I'm over the cold. When I was younger, I used to love the cold. Not no more, Anthony.
I feel like when you're younger, you're more open to things, or you don't care. 'Cause I mean, you don't have a choice.
With the cold?
Yeah. But when you're older, you're just like, I need to get out of here.
You feel like we're going on a journey. I'm talking about the weather.
Yeah, even the what? When you're young, what can you do when it's cold?
Bundle up.
You can't travel anywhere.
You're right.
You don't, you live with your parents. You can't be like, mommy, can you pay for a flight for me to go to Mexico?
It's too cold here. Let me just go to Mexico. Skip school. Oh, that would be the dream. Well, I'm not in school anymore. So. But yeah, if you guys know about any great places to go that are kind of warm in December, obviously we know the tropics. But any places maybe in Europe, or even, I think even Africa. But any places in Europe, because I kind of want to do Europe, that aren't like cold in December, let us know in a comment or something. Because
Well, we could go to California.
we could go to California. Oh my god. One of these days, at one point in my life, I'm gonna want to do Christmas in California. Because we've grown up with like the white Christmases and the cold Christmases. I want to know what it is to put tree lights on a palm tree.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be cute?
Yeah.
Wait, let me do a scooper. Situation. I love doing that. Oh my god, look at my plate. Did I take your napkin?
It's fine.
Oops. I don't know if I want to attack this other king crab leg.
I know I am.
So, we just found out that a lot of our video was not recording. Bitch! I'm tired. Look at my, I haven't even put up. I look like shit. Hot mess, stressful situation. Oh my god, and we said so many things. Well, thank you guys for joining us. We got really full. As I said before, but now it's like it's not even in the clouds. Because it doesn't even exist. That moment, those moments that we spoke about, they don't even exist. We're both starting our YouTube journey, and you're gonna see a lot of content. We have a really diverse palette, so we like to try different things, and we want to share that with you guys. I also want to incorporate my son into my YouTube channel. I can show you guys who he is and how cute and bubbly and amazing he is. He also has a nasty attitude.
He's a son. He's just like him.
But he's a really great person. I love him. He's definitely my best friend, and well, one of my best friends. I have the other one sitting right here. I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this, and just stay tuned for a lot more content, whether it be my acting skits or just me sharing personal things on my channel, or even cooking. Oh my god, I love being in the cocina.
We're going to show you guys how to make some moro penne.
Yes, get into that Dominican food cooking stuff, but a lot of other things that we definitely love to cook. Oh my god, we said so many things. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also share. Bring your friends into this familia. Thank you. Bye.
Imagine it wasn't recording.
It was cute either way.